'cause you're a puppet number consumer at best. Don't you dare think free. The keyword is repent. You're a puppet number consumer at best. Don't you dare think free. The keyword is repent. It's all about the fear that they instill. It's all about control over your mind. They make the guns that fight the wars. We use the wars to kill all the boys. We blame it on the black man, blame it on the sheik, blame it on the stranger right down the street. But when will we stop and realize the truth? It's the powers that be that are killing the youth. Hey, you want a piece of me? Watch your burn for society. Hey, you want a piece of me? Take aim at your dignity. It's all about the fear that they instill. It's all about control over your mind. They make the deals that finance the wars. We use the wars to take all the oil. We import the drugs to feed to our kids. Close all the schools to finance the pigs. When will we stop and realize the truth? It's the powers that be that are killing the youth. Love, cash, sex, death. Hey, you want a piece of me? Watch your burn for society. Hey, you want a piece of me? Take aim at your dignity. Can you feel that ignorance is this still blind and one eye? Can you feel that ignorance is this still blind and one eye? Can you feel that ignorance is this still blind and one eye? Can you feel that ignorance is this still blind and one eye? 'Cause you're a puppet number consumer at best. Don't you dare think freely. Keyword is repent. You're a puppet number consumer at best. Don't you dare think freely. Keyword is repent. Hey, you want a piece of me? Watch your burn for society.